These are two advanced polynomial problems where we're looking at divisibility. If it's divisible, I put into the root. What does it mean if it's divisible? What's this going to be equal when I stick the root into here? Divisible means what? 0. Yep. 0. Okay? So I'm going to put it, apparently, this is the what? X minus 3. What's that? Factor or root? Factor, but you're not going to be confused. If you see a factor, you can turn it into a root just by setting it equal to 0. What's x going to be? 3. So what do we put into the polynomial, set it equal to 0? What do we put in? The factor or the root? Yeah, this is the root. And so we're going to put the root in there. Okay, so let's do it. 3 cubed minus 6 times 3 squared plus k times 3 minus 6. And since it's divisible, then we set it equal to 0. Now you just get 27 minus 9 times 6 is 54, plus 3k minus 6 equals 0. 3k, negative 33, I think. So 3k is equal to 33, k is equal to 11. So if k was 11, then this would all work out to be 0. Seem easy? It's all due to the remainder theorem, which says that p of your root, I'm going to call it root, is going to be equal to your remainder every time. And if it's divisible, the remainder is going to be 0. Let's try one more here. Find the values of a and b, 9 and 11. Did we do either of these two? Oh, we did 11? Okay, so you know how to do this one. You're going to do this twice. So for like number 9, you have 6x cubed plus 7x squared plus ax plus b. And it says it's divisible, meaning that this 2x minus 1 factor is going to be what root? 1/2. And this factor, x plus 1, is going to be the root negative 1. So then you look at p of 1/2, and it should have, if it's divisible, what should it be equal to at the end? Divisible, 0. And you put in a negative 1, you put that in, you're going to get 0 again. You'll get 2 equations, 2 unknowns, and you'll be good to go for that. You can do it. Put in a 1/2, so you're going to get 6 times 1/2 cubed, 7 times 1/2 squared, plus a times 1/2, plus b equals 0. So this is going to be 6/8 plus 7/4 plus a over 2 plus b equals 0. Now, how in the world are you going to solve for that? That looks terrible. But if we multiply everything by 8, I think we'll get it. 6 plus 14 plus 4a plus 8b equals 0. So this is 20. 4a plus 8b equals negative 20. So a plus 2b equals negative 5. Divide by 4. There's one equation. Now we got to do the other one. 6 times negative 1 cubed plus 7 times negative 1 squared plus a times negative 1 plus b equals 0. This is more friendly. This will be negative 6 plus 7 minus a plus b. So this is just going to be 7 minus 6 is 1. Let's move everything to the other side. A minus b equals 1. Okay, so I'm going to take, no, I like how it was. Negative a plus b equals negative 1. I'm going to keep that. Now, what will happen is when you put these two together, a plus 2b equals negative 5, and negative a plus b equals negative 1. You add those up, you're going to get 3b equal to negative 6. b will be equal to negative 2. And once you know that, negative a minus 2 equals negative 1. Add this over. You're going to get 1. A is equal to negative 1. So those should be your two answers. Negative 1 and negative 2.